For Arup, we have worked on many iconic projects which will become landmark for the city. Starting from the Olympic venues, we engineer for the main stadium, the bird's nest.
The stadium is a marvellous piece of architecture. It has immediately appealed to the public, and ultimately these buildings, they're about much more than just economics. They are about giving the city a sports centre, an incentive to develop sport, and it gives the city face in front of the rest of the world when the world's cameras are going to be focused in on the Olympics here in Beijing. The design clearly has its roots in Chinese traditional pottery and basket weaving, and for even those of us with the most rudimentary knowledge of Chinese tradition can see that. And I think the structural system in itself that supports the roof over the stadium is actually a very clever, very simple set of lines of structure developing the opening in the roof. A little bit like a shutter lens effect, where you get a circular opening but developed by straight plates. And the secondary bracing that connects these primary lines together gives it a fantastic random pattern which immediately appeals and gives it a human sort of scale. Although it's a huge structure, it still is something that appeals particularly to Chinese people and their sense of design and their sense of tradition.